Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your Windows 10 desktop into a stunning and functional workspace using Rainmeter. If you're tired of the default look of Windows and want something truly unique, then stick around because this video is for you. First things first, what is Rainmeter? Rainmeter is a powerful desktop customization tool that lets you display customizable skins on your desktop, from hardware usage meters to fully functional audio visualizers. The possibilities are endless. To get started, head over to rainmeter.net. And download the latest version. Once you've installed it, we'll move on to the fun part. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After installing, Rainmeter will start with some default skins. Now right-click on each skin and select Onload Skin. Now we have a clean desktop to work with. Next, find some amazing skins. There are several websites where you can find Rainmeter skins, such as DeviantArt and the Rainmeter subreddit. Download the skins you like and save them to a folder. Make sure they are in the .rm skin format, which makes installation super easy. To install a skin, simply double-click the .rm skin file and follow the prompts. Once installed, you can activate the skin by going to the Rainmeter Manage windows. In the Manage window, you'll see all your installed skins. Expand the skin folder, select the skin you want and click Load. Most skins are highly customizable. You can right-click on a skin and select Edit Skin to open the configuration file. Here you can change things like colors, positions and more. Don't worry if you're not familiar with coding. Many skins come with user-friendly options. Now customize the clock widget. You can change its color to match your wallpaper and reposition it to the top right corner. Now that you have your skins loaded, let's arrange them. Position your skin in a way that looks aesthetically pleasing and functional for you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Rainmeter isn't just about looks. It's also about functionality. You can add system monitors, weather widgets, audio visualizers, and more. You can add a system monitor to keep an eye on your CPU and RAM usage as well. To finish up, I like to set my desktop background to something that complements my skins. There are many wallpaper sites like Unsplash where you can find high quality images. And there you have it, a beautifully customized Windows 10 desktop with Rainmeter. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.